Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show you table tag in HTML. So first of all, open the WebStorm application, then create a HTML file here. I create HTML file here. Click on new, then click on HTML file. See here, give the name for HTML file here. Table, okay. The table.html file is created. Write the code in body tag. So first use the table, then use a t-head, then use tr, table row, and then th, table head. Yes, number, th, student name, and student roll number. Okay, then create table body, tbody, table body. In table body, table row, and then table data, td. One student name is td, user student name is Akshay, td, roll number is 1. Okay, so save this file, save all, then run it. So see here, table is displayed here, but border is not displayed. So border, code for border attribute. Use the style tag here. In style tag, table th, td. In border, 2 pixel, solid orange. Okay, so save this code or save all, then rerun it. Okay, run again. So see here, border is a display for table. So I hope you like it, and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming AK, and then click on bell icon for another update. So thanks for watching this video.